In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process on how to build your very first dropshipping store completely from scratch. Not only that, but we'll also be using a special tool called Storebuild AI to do all of this for us, meaning that we won't have any stress, complications, and you can do this if you're a complete beginner. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Now, first things first, what is Storebuild AI and how does it work? This entire platform is built to build a Shopify store without needing to have really any expertise. You can do it completely with their artificial intelligence software and have a Shopify store loaded with products ready to go. It'll take you through an intuitive setup process where you'll enter basic details about your business, such as your name, niche, and branding preferences. This is where the magic of artificial intelligence starts to shine. Based on the niche that you select, Storebuild AI tailors your store's design and content to suit your target audience. Now, before we talk about anything more of this, let's just show you how this actually will look and how it works. The first thing you want to do to get access to Storebuild AI is by using the link down in the description. Once you click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, this is Storebuild.ai's homepage, and this is where they're going to actually get started with the entire store building process. As you can see, they give you a quick little tutorial video giving you some more information about this service, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to dive right in and I'm going to show you step by step. Also, please remember that the links in the description are affiliate links and they support us making more videos just like this one, so thank you in advance for your support. Without further ado though, let's get into it. Now, if you scroll down just a little bit here, you can click this green Build My Free Store button. Once you click that button, you'll be taken to this very first page where you'll enter in your contact information. Now, you're going to go ahead and enter in your first name, your email address, and your password here. Also on the left, just so you have an idea of what's included with this, as you can see, you'll get access to a fully optimized Shopify store, 10 trending products, $200 premium custom theme, no hidden fees so you keep the profits, and 24/7 world-class customer support. Now, once we have our contact info filled out, we'll then hit the create your free account button. Once we click that green button, it will then load us into the store builder itself. As you can see, this is going to be an 8-step process where we're going to pick our niche, pick a color, pick a banner, add our Shopify account, link the Shopify account, upload winning products, actually build our Shopify store, and then go live. Now, the first step here is going to be picking which niche I want to go with. As you can see, they have a couple of pre-selected niches that we can choose from. They have a clothing option, pet care and supplies, tech and gadgets, home and outdoors, sports and gear, and even need inspiration. Now, just to show you how some of this works, most of these you'll pick and then you'll move on to the next step. For the sake of this video, let's choose the need inspiration option and see what it comes up with. Once we hit the next button, we'll then be forced to choose a color. You can choose just about any of these colors. I'm just going to go ahead and go with this blue color. We'll then hit the next button and then this will take us to our homepage banner. As you can see, we can choose a couple of different beautiful looking homepages that we actually have access to. Each of these are tailored to a different niche, so if you're not really sure on what type of store you're trying to build, you could literally make a decision based off of what's actually shown in front of you right now. As you can see, they have a bunch of different banners, all of them having appeal depending on the type of niche that you're in. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to just go ahead and go with banner style 17 and then hit the next button. Once I hit the next button, it will then take us to this part where we create a Shopify account and select a Shopify plan. Now, the best way to go about doing this is by scrolling down here and following the steps that they outline here. So the first step here is click the register on Shopify button below. Once we click this button, it will then take us over to the register on Shopify page. And the best part about this is that for the first 3 months of Shopify, you'll be able to get access to it for only $1, which is a steal of a deal. So first thing we're going to do is enter in our email address and hit the start free trial button. Once we click that button, it will then actually ask us to make a quick password and then we can officially create our Shopify account. Now, one of the first things that Shopify will force you to do is answer some questions about the type of website that you are trying to build. Now, for the sake of this video, you could pretty much skip these questions. They aren't really that important in the grand scheme of things, and Storebuild AI is already helping us build a store. So we're going to go ahead and click the I don't want help setting up button. Once we click that, and this part is really important, you need to choose a plan. Now, real quick here, if we go back to Storebuild.ai, as you can see, they do have some specific information here that does say that you do need to select a plan and actually end up going with that $1, which would basically skip out on your free trial. The reason for this is that if you don't actually end up choosing a plan, you won't be able to get started with this service. Storebuild AI is built off of an actual existing Shopify plan. You can't just use a free trial here. But the best part is that you can start doing this for only $1, which is just an insane deal. As you can see, we're going to go back to the Shopify plan, choose any of these plans that we'll go with. And like they say here, you can click the select a plan button, which is located at the bottom right corner of the Shopify dashboard. You can select the basic monthly plan, fill in your information, and click subscribe. Once you've done all of that, you'll then be ready to go. We'll then hit the next Shopify link button to continue. Now, once we hit this green button, it will then take us to the next part here where we can say we've activated it. We now have to enter in our Shopify store link. In order to get our Shopify store link, we're simply going to head back over to Shopify and copy this top link in the URL section. Once we copy this link in the Shopify tab, we'll head back over to Storebuild and then simply paste that link into this field right here. We'll then hit the save button, which will then basically link our Shopify store and successfully set it up so we can start importing products. Once we have our Shopify store linked, we're then going to hit the next button, which will then allow us to upload products onto our Shopify store. As you can see on this step, we're going to be uploading products directly onto our Shopify store using something called Zendrop. Zendrop is a tool that automatically lets you upload products directly into your Shopify store with just the click of a button. It's one of the easiest ways to get started if you're a dropshipper or if you're somebody who just wants to start testing products. Also, one of the best parts about Zendrop is that they have a massive catalog of different products that you can choose from. And the best part is that you can get started with all this by using Storebuild AI. So the first thing we're going to do is activate Zendrop. We have a little tutorial video here that will guide you through doing so, but we're going to click this activate Zendrop button. Once we click this button, it will then take us into Zendrop's homepage where we're going to install this onto our Shopify store. All you have to do now is hit the install button, which will then take you into this next page here. And as you can see, we hit the install button one more time. Once we've gone about doing that, it will officially be inside of our Shopify store and we have Zendrop fully up and running. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is set up a quick account with Shopify, but again, we can just hit the continue onboarding button here. It should take us back to Storebuild. Once we have that all set up, we'll then hit the next button, which will take us to the Storebuild tab. On the Storebuild tab, really all we have to do now is hit go live. Once I hit that go live button, it will officially start building me a Shopify store completely from scratch. I don't have to do any coding. I don't have to do any work, and it even automatically uploads winning products for me into my Shopify store. This tool is incredibly powerful, guys, and it's something that I've seen a ton of people out there already start to have really big success with. If this sounds like something that you want to give a try for yourself, make sure you use the link down in the description. It's going to be the easiest and best way to get started with them. Also, if you guys have any questions about this process, make sure to comment them down below. If you guys want to get started with Storebuild AI, make sure you use that link down in the description, and please keep in mind that we do monetarily benefit from some of these links, so thank you in advance for supporting this video. All that's left to do now, guys, is customize our Shopify store and really make it our own. Once we've done all of that, we're pretty much ready to go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in a future one.